Hi guys, this is Mary. Welcome back to Cardz TV. Today is the first day of spring. I'm so excited. And it also happens to be a Wednesday. And today is our first episode of What's New Wednesday. And that means that every Wednesday we're going to take a look at new paper crafting tools, new techniques, new card folds, new card sketches, whatever I come across that week that's new, I'm going to share it with all of you. So for our first episode today, we're going to take a look at this new card making workshop your way from close to my heart. This is called Choose to Shine. And you get enough supplies in this kit to make 6 each of these 2 cute little cards. Now, I get these kits from my sweet friend Linda. She shares them with me because she knows how much I love to play with these kits. They're so much fun. And I'm going to leave a link to Linda's Close to My Heart site. She's a consultant, and you can go to her site, check this out, and pick up one of these sets for yourself. It's perfect for spring, guys. Now, as I said, you're going to get this worksheet that shows you how to make these little cards. Inside, you've got your cutting diagram, and then instructions on making 6 each of these cards, and even how to do your stamping, what colors of ink to use, and everything. It comes with this adorable little stamp set. Let me show you that. Look at this, guys. This is so cute. This is also perfect for spring. We've got a butterfly. We've got Choose to Shine. We've got a stitched circle, a stitched cloud. Love that. A little banner with stitching on it. Then we've got a stem with leaves, a little heart, and down here we have 2 little flowers and another stem with leaves and a little dot for doing background stamping. Then we have just a note to brighten your day and chase the clouds away. And what I really love about this is this adorable little grass border. Oh my goodness, that's cute. And it comes with this spongy mat in this nice envelope so that when you are doing your stamping, you get a nice crisp image when you use this little spongy mat that comes with it. You're also going to get 12 envelopes and 12 pre-scored card bases. And look at this gorgeous ribbon, guys. This is called Skinny Ribbon, and it's white and gold. You've got white ribbon, which is 1/8 of an inch wide, and then each side has a little bit of gold. That is so pretty. And here are your papers and your cardstock. Now you're going to get 2 sheets of paper, and you can see they're double-sided. This is one side. Look at that. I love these flowers. So cute. And then this is the other side, which is that brilliant yellow with the white polka dots. And then we have this cute little red and white gingham border at the top, or a little zip strip. And you'll get 3 sheets of white cardstock as well. So there we go, guys. This is the Close to My Heart Workshop Your Way card making kit called Choose to Shine. And I'm going to leave a link to Linda, like I said, so you can go over and check it out and pick up this kit for yourself. I think it's perfect for spring. And in my next video, I'm going to be making some cards with this cute little kit. Thanks so much for coming by today, guys, and sharing this first episode of What's New Wednesday with me. And I will see you again soon with a card. Bye now.